art enthusiasts! So what are you up to in these pandemic times? Penkraft DIY Kits could be the solution for all your artistic needs. Penkraft has many unique and creative do-it-yourself art kits. So let's take a look at the Decoupage on Tray kit. The kit comes with a label on it, on which you will see a QR code. Scan this QR code to access the tutorial for Decoupage on Tray. In this kit, you get a beautiful decoupage napkin, a MDF tray which you can assemble yourself, a set of 6 colors, a sponge, and decoupage glue. Penkraft also has many other art forms such as Nib Calligraphy, brush pen calligraphy, Devanagari Calligraphy, copper plate calligraphy, pen mandala, Warli Art, Madhubani Art, Cone Art, dot mandala, Lippan Art, Kalamkari Painting, Kalighat, Pichwai Painting, Cheriyal Painting, Kerala Mural, Scandinavian Art, Decoupage, Image Transfer, Knife Painting, Truck Art, Alcohol ink, one-stroke painting, watercolor, resin art, fluid art on various surfaces such as tray, coaster on stand, wall clocks, chopping board, photo frame, MDF surface, pen stand, MDF box, acrylic surface, ceramic mugs, etc. So, what are you waiting for? You can go ahead and order your very own Penkraft DIY kit.